What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. Now there's just a small tip that you want to know. If you do not have a professional account, you won't be able to monetize or check the monetization status on your account. So now let's get started. First thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram on your phone. And after that, you should click on this icon, your profile icon right here. Then here, as you can see, it will show this page. Go to these three lines on the top right corner. So you need to scroll down till you find account type and tools. So click on account type and tools, then click on switch to professional account. After that, click on continue till you finish this process. It's very easy. Then when it asks you what best describes you, you can choose whatever you want, then click on done. Then I'm gonna choose here creator, then click on next. And this is how you can switch your account to professional account. Then now you should go back to your profile, then click on these three lines right here, then scroll down till you find creator tools and controls. Click on it, then scroll down till you find here monetization status. Tap on it, and now here, as you can see, it will show that you now are able to monetize. And make sure to check all these policies, and you will have here this green icon right here. Then now go back and you can click on add payments and add payment to your account, and this can be done only if monetization is available in your country. So after clicking on it, click on payment methods, then it will ask you just to enter your payment method, and then you will be able to see your balance, and you will be able to withdraw once you reach $25 on your balance. But now here in my case, it's not available in my country, but it may be available later. Then you can go back and check everything about the monetization. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.